Janmashtami. Let's start. I'm going to use this canvas board and acrylic colors to make the painting. I did the outlining. Now let me color it. Painted the outer part. Now I am going to paint Lord Krishna. Let me paint Lord Krishna's feather and flute. I am also going to paint his pot of butter. Friends, I completed my Lord Krishna's painting. Have a look at it. Hope you like my video today. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Alicia Shahare. Thank you everyone for watching. Bye bye.